Ngayon, marami ng uri, but another silver piece of medal, kaya miraculous medal, na ipinagkaloob ng ating mahal na ina sa isang madre na si Saint Catherine Labore. And it is our Blessed Mother herself designed the medal and asked Catherine Labore to make this medal available. Not to be a lucky charm, not to somehow propagate yung akala natin na magbibigay sa atin talaga ng milagro. Pero ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay isang instrumento at sign ng pagmamahal ni Maria sa atin para may palapit tayo sa kanyang anak. There is no superstition, nothing of magic connected with the miraculous medal. The miraculous medal is not a good luck charm, but rather it is a great testimony to faith and the power of trusting prayer. These great miracles are those of patience, forgiveness, repentance, and faith that projects also the image and likeness of God. Kaya sa araw na ito, tayo po'y blessed na blessed. At sana sa pagpapatuloy natin sa ating paglalakbay ay tunay na maipakita natin at maipahayag at mahabahagi ang Diyos sa ating buhay. That at the end of the day, all of us belongs to God.